Multiple arguments functions. Let's create a function that accepts unspecified amount of args. You should add an asterisk here to do so. Now inside the body of the function, args is a tuple. This is how the function will treat the many arguments that will be added later. It's going to put them in a tuple called args. You can replace the name args with something else if you like. Now args, the tuple, is an iterable, so we can use functions that require iterables to work, like the sum function, knowing that the arguments that will be entered are numbers. Of course, we can use a loop on this tuple. Multiple keyword arguments. We use two asterisks for that. Now, what's going on inside the function? Later, when we call the function, it will only allow us to enter keyword arguments, keys and values, like this. We can use a loop on this dictionary. Now args inside the function will look like this. A code like this will give an error. To call the function, we need keys and values that will later be stored in a dictionary.